You might have a vegetable in your house right now that can let you measure the pH of items in your fridge.
Red cabbage!
Take a few pieces of red cabbage, mix it with distilled water, and blend. It's that purple color? That's because of a pigment called anthocyanin, and it's our indicator. Now we're gonna add some things that we have in my home to see what happens to those colors. First, dish soap. Baking soda. Let's try some lemon in this cup. Wow! And last, vinegar. This is our neutral, has a pH of 7. These pinks, they're acids. They have pHs lower than 7. These blue and greens over here, they're bases. They have pHs higher than 7. Can you test some things at your house? Give it a try. Until next time, keep learning, full steam ahead.